What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can cancel your ticket on Ticketmaster. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you keep alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to cancel tickets? So there are a couple of ways. So first one, if you haven't bought a ticket, so let's say you want a Noah Kahan ticket, so just go find tickets. And basically we find an event we want a ticket for, so let's say June 14th, Austin, Texas. Find ticket, and then just basically we got it, we accept it. So as you can see, we are gonna go to the 212. We're gonna go row A, seat 9, and basically we are going to next. So first step is, if you want to cancel your ticket, but if you haven't bought that ticket yet, so we are having place an order and all sorts of other informations over here. So in the middle of buying ticket, if you want to cancel, just go back and go cancel order. But guys, if you got your tickets, just go to the Ticketmaster front page. Wait for it to load. I'm sorry, I went to YouTube. I got it. Just a second guys, please wait. So we need to go to the Ticketmaster front page, and okay, so we go to my account and upcoming events. So over here, unfortunately I do not own any cards currently, but if you have one, you can just easily select it and go to cancel ticket. So basically that is a really easy process. And guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today's video. Goodbye.